Arcray, one of Japan's leading diagnostic company, brings to you Insulin Cool Pouch to keep your in-use insulin cool while you are traveling. Arcray Insulin Cool Pouch is an evaporative cooling unit designed to keep in-use insulin cool within safe temperatures of 18 to 26 degrees Celsius for 45 hours. Arcray Insulin Cool Pouch box contains 1 insulin cool pouch, 1 inner black wallet, warranty card. Arcray Insulin Cool Pouch comes with many convenient features that make carrying insulin on the go safe and easy. Whatever the outside temperature, it keeps in-use insulin cool and safe. Can be activated simply by immersing in water. Absolutely no refrigeration is required. Can be used repeatedly by placing it in water again as and when required. Easy to carry, Arcray Insulin Cool Pouch is ideal for travel. And it comes with a 1-year warranty too. Here's how to use the Arcray Insulin Cool Pouch. Remove the inner black wallet from the insulin pouch. The inner black wallet contains crystals which activate when soaked in water. Immerse the inner wallet containing the crystals in cold water and soak. The soaking time will vary with the size of the wallet, usually 5 to 8 minutes. While soaking, gently manipulate the wallet to spread the crystals evenly throughout. Soaking will lead to formation of gel, which will fill the expanding panels. Ensure that the now activated inner wallet remains pliable. Leave the wallet to drain for 15 to 30 minutes to allow gel formed to absorb any excess moisture from the fabric. After removing from the water, the wallet panels will continue to expand slightly. Gently pat dry the wallet using a paper towel. Touch the wallet to see if it is semi-dry. Now, insert your in-use insulin medication inside the activated inner black wallet and place it in the outer cover. Your in-use insulin is now safe and ready to be used when you travel. Up to 45 hours. Arcray Insulin Cool Pouch